and good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk here with a patient from Kentucky who traveled here to Florida for the cervical Deuk laser disc repair. And he had 3 bad discs we fixed through his neck yesterday, 4mm incision. Surgery went very well. And how do you feel today, sir?
I feel really good. I was very surprised this morning. A little soreness, but other than that, I feel great. Less than 24 hours, I can already tell that I've got a little bit more strength in my right arm than what I had yesterday.
Yeah, you had 3 discs that we fixed with the laser. We had a real time getting to the bottom one because your shoulders are broad and you got a high clavicle. But we got it done. You happy you came?
Yes, I am very happy. Researched a lot of different places. The best option for us, for me, I'm ecstatic. After watching the video over yesterday evening, I'm more than happy that I came here.
How did your neck problems affect your quality of life?
It affected me. I'm very active. I like to play a lot of golf, so it affected me in a lot of different ways. I'm a new grandparent. I couldn't pick my grandkids up, so yeah, I'm looking forward to picking them up.
It's hard to play golf when you got weakness in your arm, right?
Yes, it is. And I swing the club left-handed, so this is my lead arm, so it affected me immensely.
And already this morning, I could tell you have more strength than before surgery. So we went in with the laser. We found pieces of herniation, lots of them, and we were cleaning them up. They were pushing on your nerves. That was the problem at C4-5, C5-6, and C6-7. No hospitalization.
Yes.
Did you take any pain medicine after your surgery?
I have not taken anything but Tylenol.
So you don't need narcotics, yeah.
No pain.
If you had a fusion, you'd be on narcotic painkillers, opioids, dangerous medicines for months.
And that was another reason that I chose Deuk Spine, for that reason.
What do you have to say to your friends and family out there?
If you have any spinal, cervical problems, highly recommend Deuk Spine. Not only Dr. Deuk is impressive, his staff is just as impressive. They are a well-oiled machine here at Deuk Spine.
I say they make me look good.
They are awesome. From the time you walk into the door to the time you leave, this place is really impressive.
What's on the agenda for today?
We fly out tomorrow, so my wife and I may go get a little dinner this evening. Look forward to going home.
All right, sir. Safe travels. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And I want to hear your golf game is improved.
Yeah. And I may be back this winter to get my lower back.
All right.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Very good.